Hi everybody, I am going to discuss trapezoidal rule. Subject is numerical analysis or numerical algorithm, and the topics is integration, numerical integration. Consider the example of solution. We know fx dx integration a to b fx dx equal is the number one equation. Given integration 0 to 1 4x minus 3x square 4x minus 3x square dx equal this is the expression 2. Comparing comparing 1 and 2 comparing 1 and 2 a equal to 0, lower limit equal to 0, and upper limit equal to 1. There is lower limit, upper limit. And fx is 4x minus 3x squared. Interval n equal to interval 10 is given here, and we have to find out the h means b minus upper limit minus lower limit by n, 1 minus 0 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 10 equal to 0.1. Now the table. Now the table we have to find the. Now we have to find the table. X and fx. X and fx. Initially x is 0. Let's start with the 0 value. X is 0. Initially x is 0. And we will x and fx. So x is initially started with 0 value. Implemented here h is 0.1, 0.1, then 0.2, 0.3. H is implemented by 0.1, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and finally 1. And we have to calculate these fx values when x equal to 0, put the value 4 into 0 minus 3 into 0, that is equal to 0, put the value 4 into 0.1 and so on. 0.2, put the value of 0.2 here, 0.3, 0.4, we have to calculate all these values. We have to calculate all these values when putting the value of a 0, 1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and up to 1 in these fx functions. 0.37, 0.68, 0.93, 1.12, 1.25, 1.32, 1.33, 1.28, 0.17, 1. Now, this is the table formed by putting the values of x equal to 0, x equal to 0 in fx, x equal to 1.1 in fx, x equal to 0.2 in fx, and so on. Now the formula. Integration 0 to 1 4x minus 3x square dx equal to h by 2 first term plus last term, first term plus last term, plus 2 into sum of remaining term, sum of remaining term, sum of remaining term. H is a 0.1, 0.1 by 2. First term is y0, last term is y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8, y9, and last term is y10. First term is y0, last term is y10, and plus 2 into sum of remaining term. Remaining term means y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8, and y9 up to 9. So now the calculation part, that is 0.1 by 2, y0 is 0, y1 is y10 is, that is 1, remaining term 0.37 plus 0.68 plus 0.93 plus 1.12 plus 1.25 plus 1.32 plus 1.33 plus 1.28 plus 1.17, and calculate this value. So this is the calculation part. Now use the calculator to get the result 0.995. So this is trapezoidal rule. Thank you very much for watching the video.